Hey everyone! Today we are checking out the powerful Eyoyofishcam Cordless Electric Fillet Knife for your next catch. This upgraded model features a 120-watt motor for smooth and efficient cutting through any fish. You get two razor-sharp stainless steel blades measuring 7.5 and 10 inches for total versatility. The kit includes two rechargeable 12-volt batteries, so you never run out of power while cleaning fish. Its non-slip handle and portable carrying case make it perfect for your kitchen or for the boat deck. This professional tool is a fantastic choice for any angler looking to simplify their outdoor cleaning tasks quickly. You can rely on the included 1-year technical support for total peace of mind during every trip. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.